afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think they can hear me, Paul. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, what's that on our left hand side, ladies and gentlemen?
Castle!
Windsor Castle, yes! Oh, I'm redundant. On our left hand side you'll see Curfew Tower, also known as Bell Tower, so called for the bells at the top. It also has a massive dungeon underneath. Room enough for all of you guys who wish to misbehave on the boat. We know people, so behave yourselves. Right, everyone practice their royal waves. Yeah, wave at people, they'll wave back hopefully, cheer them up a bit. Also makes us look like we're having a really nice time.
We are!
Oh, we are, well that's good. My name's Peter, I'm your tour guide. This is Paul, our driver and eventually skipper. Together we're Peter and Paul, and we'll be getting biblical today. On the left hand side is Queen Victoria, or at least a statue of her, 1887 that was built. That's where the gallows used to be, so you're very lucky only to have the dungeons today. Also on our left hand side is Windsor Guildhall, and that's where King Charles and Queen Camilla were married. Also Elton John and his husband, and that was designed by Sir Thomas Fitz and finished in 1689 by Sir Christopher Wren. I have to be very careful about saying this next bit. We're about to come on to Sheet Street. In 1665, the Black Death killed a lot of people in Windsor, and the dead were laid out on this street in sheets. Sorry, a very macabre start to our journey. I'll try and make it a bit cheerier. So we hope at Victoria Barracks on our right there'll be a soldier to wave at on our right hand side, so get your waves ready. Yeah, did it? Oh. That's where the Coldstream Guards are stationed at the moment, and it's from here that they go to perform the changing of the guards every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. We're now coming on to King's Road, which is a very wealthy road in Windsor. It's also where Harry and Meghan had their carriage procession after they got married.